How to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. So in that case, you have to go ahead and open up a browser, type in scanqr.org. It's going to take you to this page where you could go ahead and generate the code. So for that case, you have to first of all make sure that you have already taken a picture of the QR code. And while you're on this page, go ahead and select or tap on the option that says drag and drop or browse. When you do that, you can go and locate the file. In my case, I happen to already do it so. So when you've loaded the particular scanner, then you can see the details or the scanner's info. Now you could go ahead and click on copy result, or you could just go ahead and tap or copy the name of the Wi-Fi, and then you could go ahead and open up your settings. So when you open up your settings, now go to network and internet. After that, go to Wi-Fi. So while you're on this page, you could go ahead and select the option that says manage known network. Go ahead and press on it. And then you could go ahead and tap on add network from the top right. Right on this page, paste in the network that you recently copied. So here you could just leave it blank and click on connect automatically. And then click on the save button. After you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter in the device's password. And when you have done that, you'll have successfully added the QR code or connected the Wi-Fi with scanning the QR code. So that is how you can scan a Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.